TV now. I'm just watching TV now, guys. And remember that video I just made of hearing noises? Well, I just finished watching like 2 YouTube videos about they were hearing noises from the sky, and they were naming it alien noises and stuff. And they were on the radio. And then they're hearing all across the country. The noise got very loud and stuff. It's just creeping me out right now. I'm just so afraid right now. Like, I'm too young to die, guys. I'm too young to die. I'm only 8, so watch. See, I didn't need... That's just a stupid dog, but you're gonna hear a noise soon, watch. Cause I should have recorded. That's the neighbor's dog. But it's super scary, it's freaking me out. It's freaking me out. I'm freaked out, guys, I'm freaked out. The noise just keeps going. I'm gonna zoom into the sky. Should be out here with my parents right now. I'm so scared. I'll be.
Serve at game time should never be one of them. Farmers, it's real life good.
Do you experience sensitive teeth? If so, there's a new tooth.
Watch out for that big fly, Grandma! Like, oh my God, that was scary outside. I'm never gonna go outside again. That was freaking me out, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.
Look up and say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.